I know what you're thinking. New Arsenal player in the new Arsenal training gear. No, absolutely not. Just heading into London. Highbury Fields parkrun and a cheeky visit to the Oxford Street Adidas store. Good morning guys, and welcome to a very windy Highbury Fields parkrun. I was last here when I completed my 50th parkrun, and because of my dodgy knee I had to walk it, but this morning I will be running it. And then once I've completed the parkrun, all being well, I'll be heading down to Oxford Street to see what the Adidas store has to offer. I want to see the little Arsenal boutique thing that they did, so I'm looking forward to that. First of all, I've got 5 kilometers to complete, so wish me luck. I helped put the chains on. Get in. Cheers, thank you. Highbury Fields parkrun completed again. Only my second time here. I got the time that I wanted for the 5k, so I'm really happy. I think I finished 334. Definitely didn't look like that many people here, but obviously there was a lot. Volunteers and everyone else that helps out with the parkrun, they were amazing today. Time to chill before my trek to Oxford Street.